The Insights wheel has 24 spokes on it to represent the different 24 colour combinations which are possible. At the heart of the wheel are the 4 key energy colours. If you have on your chart 2 pies, your dark chart represents your conscious persona and the light pie represents your less conscious persona. If you only have 1 pie, it means your conscious and your less conscious persona are in the same place. We will be considering your conscious persona going forward, as this is what people are responding to. The rings on the chart represent the intensity of colour. If you have 1 colour above the line, then you are sitting on the outside ring, which is called focus, and 3% of the population sits there. If you have 2 colours above the line, then you are in the middle ring. This is where the majority of people are, and it's called the classic. And then finally, if you have 3 colours above the line, then you are in the inside ring. Where you sit in the rings makes absolutely no difference at all in terms of your effectiveness. It is just that if you are in the inside ring, you do have more colours to pull from. The grey spokes are referred to as creatives. Individuals here have opposing first and second colours, and about 9% of the population is here. Young argues that these people can jump backwards and forwards through the colours very easily, and there is a versatility and hence creativity in their thinking. It can make it quite difficult to identify their colour preferences from the outside. The numbers on the chart are just like a street address and don't have any specific meaning. The wheel then gives us a wonderful opportunity to plot your preference alongside the preferences of other people in your team or family. It helps to explain why there may be a difference in approach, and it really helps to open up discussion about how you can be making a 5% flex in your approach to help keep other people resourceful and engaged.